Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Our today's word is vociferous. Vociferous means expressing opinions or feelings loudly and forcefully. A vociferous person or group is not afraid to speak out and make noise to show what they believe. Imagine fans at a football stadium shouting and chanting nonstop to support their team. They are vociferous supporters. Synonyms: loud, boisterous, clamorous, noisy, outspoken. Antonyms: quiet, silent, subdued, muted. Let's see some examples. The vociferous crowd demanded immediate action from the government. She was a vociferous critic of the new policy. His vociferous support for the team inspired other fans. If you enjoyed learning this powerful word and want to make your English as strong and expressive as your thoughts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new word. Share this with friends who want to sound more confident and advanced in English. Let's build your vocabulary together, one strong word at a time.